How to delete or clear this routine maintenance logo. First, turn off your car. Press the settings button on the steering wheel until the service icon appears. Then long press the settings button. If the service icon is blinking, press the button again once. If the word clear appears, it means you have successfully reset the service icon. You can now start the car to verify that the service icon will not display anymore. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more of these videos.